guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video we will be doing pageant prep. So you're probably wondering why I have my bonnet on. I haven't got my hair done yet, but I have got my nails done. I'm now on my way to my lash appointment with Kay. Got my lashes done. We got a nice classic cat eye. So did Kay. Are you in love with your lashes?
Love, 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 love.
Yes, I'm in love with my lashes too now. So I just got my hair done, and now we're going to go get some food. I'm with Grammy now. So I really like my hair. But yeah, where are we going for food?
KFC.
We're going to KFC. My eyebrows are done. So is Grammy's. Do you like your eyebrows?
Yeah, so proud of them. I'm pleased with them.
So these are henna brows. They're supposed to last about 2 weeks, I think.
But the car, Miss Rona.
And let me tell you all, she tweezed my eyebrows. That hurt. That
yes,
really did
they
hurt.
should have wax, but we couldn't afford the waxing at the moment.
But yeah, so now we're heading to the seamstress to go pick up my gown, because we had a malfunction with the original gown, so we had to get it back up. We had to do another gown. So we're going to go pick up my gown and a jumper that I dropped off, and then we're heading back home to finish packing. So I guess I'll see you guys when we're finishing up packing. I'm done packing. I just put my hair up so it didn't get damaged, but now I'm gonna clean up, and I'll see you guys in the morning when we're getting ready for the airport. Guys, so it's the next day. I'm about finished getting ready. I woke up very early. It's currently 6:56. So I did my makeup, showered, have on most of my clothes, just have my dress to put on now. I have all of my bags packed. We want to leave the house about 8:30, so now we're gonna make something to eat. I'll probably just have some tea though. It's so dark, but I'll probably just make some tea. Yeah. Putting the suitcases up on the track now, thanks to Daddy. This is Grammy. Oh, come the other way, the lighting. This is Grammy in a nice little cute outfit. Yes, yeah.
Remember, I'm going along.
And then just have my sash on. This, I'm wearing this because it reminds me of coral reefs. So, coral reefs? Coral reefs. Coral reefs. Okay guys, we're at the airport now. We're about to go inside and check in with the front desk. And we're about to check in with the front desk, and we're going to head upstairs. I probably won't start filming again until we get upstairs, because you can't have the camera on through TSA. So yeah, like to update the people on what we're doing now. Hold on.
Oh, we're having some breakfast and meeting up with the other ladies.
Yes, we just got some Wendy's. We're now upstairs. My feet hurt. But yeah, we're gonna board our plane soon. I'll probably shoot some footage of the plane landing and going up in the air. But then after that, we'll be in Fort Lauderdale.
Preparation for landing. Please ensure that your seatbelts are securely fastened, seatbacks are in cables. When the chairs be in the fully upright lock position, we shall be in the ground shortly. Welcome to Fort Lauderdale.
I'm gonna update the people about what's happening now.
Oh, we're trying to catch the train now to go to West Palm Beach. We just get off the aircraft, which is Farmers Air. Flight was good because it was my captain, Captain Vanity, and it's still going on fine. A little hungry, but we're making it.
Okay guys, my belly's breaking now. Not gonna lie. Everything is going wrong with me, but I'm staying strong. I kept my heels on. I haven't changed to my Crocs yet, so very proud of myself because we've done a lot of walking. It's currently 2:23 now, and we're waiting to go on our train. And now, after we finish check-in, we're checking with Brightline. We're going to go upstairs to the front lounge. We're now on the train heading to West Palm Beach. I kid you not, this is so much fun. I think I'm gonna try and take the train more often. But like, look at the view. But the train is around 45 minutes into West Palm Beach from Fort Lauderdale, and then after that we're going to have to take the Uber from West Palm Beach to the hotel, which is another hour. So it's about an hour, give or take. Yeah. But yeah, and the lounge that we were in, the premium lounge, was so nice. Like they had food, I ate a lot of food, and I don't. Grammy, please. Let me tell you what I got. Come. Tell the people how much time to wait back for chicken salad. You ain't sure? Anyways, guys. But yeah, I'm gonna shoot some footage of the like through the window. Like, this is fun. Like, I'm enjoying this. So guys, look, they gave us complimentary snack bags. So we got a chair, and then we got some, I think they said this was fruit. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try and pronounce that, but it's basically almost like a type of meat wrapped in cheese. And then there's a fruit bar. Yeah, and that's everything that comes in there. We're in the Uber, guys.
Well, welcome. Thank you.
Okay, it's a 55-minute drive to, I'm guessing this is basically the end of the state. This is the end of the island.
I think that's what it said.
I think so.
We're on the end of.
And I think we're heading basically to the end. It's 55 minutes away, so we're in the Uber now. So
It looked like where did we go? Oklahoma. Right, it gives me the look of Oklahoma.
do you miss Oklahoma?
No, Oklahoma is hot. So hot.
It's actually cooled off. This isn't the hottest it gets here usually. It actually usually cooled off.
Hotel.
So much. You're welcome.
We are at the hotel. And I'm going to, we have a lot of bags, so I'm gonna, as soon as we get our bags inside and check in and get our room. So guys, that's the end of the vlog for today. Remember to like and subscribe and turn on post notifications so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye.